Hey everyone, it's time for another Jabberwocky quick tip. Aaron here, and today I'd like to share with you a very powerful feature in Jabberwocky 2.0 called the Dwell keyboard. Let me explain a little bit first. We've put hundreds of hours of development and testing into building the easiest and most effective touch-free interface for your phone or tablet. But some features that were designed with a traditional interface in mind can still be tiring when done touch-free. Typing on a virtual keyboard is definitely one of them. In light of that, we've designed a feature so that you can type efficiently and still do it touch-free. Here, I'll show you. So right now I'm in accessibility settings on my phone, and I'll turn on Jabberwocky for touch-free control. There we go. So now if I go to type, like in a text message or in a note, I can use the default Jabberwocky interface to do it. But it's a little tricky. And kind of exhausting if I have to go letter by letter. So that's where the Dwell keyboard comes in. If I nod my head, I go to the Jabberwocky navigation menu, and then settings. If I go down and look in the keyboard section, there's an option for Dwell keyboard. So I turn that on. Now, if I go back to the keyboard, instead of having to use a touch gesture, I can simply hover over a key for a short duration. And it clicks. This is a lot less tiring. So if you want to use Jabberwocky to write messages, I'd highly recommend you try out this feature. Let us know what you think. You can find us on social media. We are Jabberwocky app on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Thanks for watching.